Welcome to the Python programming video on modules and PIP, presented by H.B.INSTITUTE, the Training Center. Modules are library folders predefined by Python, providing inbuilt functions and classes for use in your code. They are divided into two types: built-in modules, which are already defined, and external modules, written by others and installable using PIP. Pandas is an external module useful for reading CSV or TSV files. You can install it using "pip install pandas" for Windows or pip3 install pandas for Mac. To use it, simply import pandas as PD in your Python code. sklearn or scikit-learn is another external module that provides different machine learning algorithms. You can install it with pip install scikit-learn or pip3 install scikit-learn and use it by writing import sklearn in your code. Thank you for watching. For more information on accounting courses, computer training, or English proficiency classes, contact H.B.INSTITUTE, the Training Center, via email, our website, or phone.